All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Patrick Wells here. Hello, Patrick. Patrick's going to show you how to make the perfect iced latte. It's going to be an iced caramel latte. So, first, we get the caramel. We go 1, 2, and about half. So about 2.5 pumps of caramel. Then you're going to come over here, and you're going to add a little bit of our milk. Cold brew and milk are the two components. So the first thing that goes in is our cold brew. After he puts in some of the cold brew, so he's going to fill it, as you can see here, filling it with cold brew, a little over the halfway mark, about 2/3. So 2/3 full, just to give you an idea there, 2/3 full. And now he's going to go ahead and put in the milk, as you can see. And we usually do a little stir on this as well. What that does is really get that caramel flavor all throughout. Sometimes it just sits at the bottom. Awesome. All that's left is some ice. You'll notice he's getting the ice out of the bucket there. Don't go too crazy on the ice. You don't want it to spill over the top. And that's it. Throw a lid on that sucker and you've made the perfect iced latte. Thank you, Patrick.